Are you looking for the best pergolas? In this video we will look at some of the 7 best pergolas on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Backyard Discovery Beaumont Cedar Pergola. Backyard Discovery Cedar Pergola is a durable outdoor structure made from 100% cedar wood, naturally resistant to decay. It has been tested to withstand winds up to 100 miles per hour, ensuring stability in various weather conditions. The exclusive removable power port includes electrical outlets and USB ports for convenient charging of devices and lights. With dual structural crossbeams and robust posts, this pergola offers superior strength and durability for your backyard, deck, or garden. What we like: durable cedar wood, wind resistant, convenient power port. Number 2. Backyard Discovery Cedarwood Pergola. The Backyard Discovery Cedarwood Pergola is a durable and spacious outdoor structure that can withstand severe weather conditions. Made of rot-resistant cedar wood, it features patent-pending foot covers to securely anchor it down, as well as sturdy 5.5 inches cedar posts with diagonal braces to prevent tipping over. The pergola is pre-cut, pre-stained, and ready to assemble, with an installation app included for easy setup. With dimensions of 12-foot W x 10 x 7 feet 10 inches H, it provides spacious room for entertaining in a 6 feet 7 inches headroom underneath. What we like: durable and rot-resistant cedar wood, patent-pending foot covers for secure anchoring, sturdy 5.5 inches cedar posts with diagonal braces. Number 3. Aoxun 10 feet by 10 feet Retractable Pergola. The Aoxun Pergola is an excellent choice for those looking to enhance their outdoor space. With its compact 10 by 10 foot size, it's perfect for smaller patios or yards, providing ample shade without taking up too much room. The durable aluminum construction ensures that it stands up to the elements, resisting rust and fading over time. Its freestanding design adds an aesthetic appeal, making it a beautiful addition to gardens or decks. You'll also appreciate the added stability from the reinforced posts and included ground stakes, ensuring it remains secure even in windy conditions. What we like: compact design for small spaces, durable, weather-resistant materials, attractive freestanding appearance, enhanced stability with ground stakes. Number 4. MIRADOR ADS Louvered Pergola. The MIRADOR Louvered Pergola is the perfect addition to your outdoor space, featuring a sleek and modern design that enhances any backyard or rooftop. You can easily adjust the louvered roof to transition from full shade to sunlight in seconds, allowing you to enjoy fresh air or stargaze at night. Assembly is straightforward, with clear instructions and video tutorials, making it user-friendly even for those who may not be DIY enthusiasts. Additionally, this pergola's waterproof design ensures that you and your belongings stay dry during unexpected rain showers, providing peace of mind while you entertain outdoors. What we like: modern minimalist design, quick louver adjustment, easy assembly process, waterproof and weather-resistant. Number 5. HAPPATIO 10 feet by 13 feet Outdoor Pergola. The HAPPATIO Outdoor Pergola offers ample space for 6 to 8 people, making it perfect for gatherings. Its aluminum frame is both lightweight and strong, ensuring durability against outdoor elements. You will appreciate the unique canopy latch system that allows you to secure the canopy at any desired position, preventing it from being blown away by the wind. Additionally, the micro-arch top design effectively channels water away, reducing the risk of pooling during light rain. This pergola is easy to assemble with clear instructions and an installation video, making setup a breeze. What we like: spacious for gatherings, durable aluminum frame, secure canopy system, water-resistant design, easy assembly. Number 6. LAUSAINT 10 feet by 13 feet Outdoor Pergola. The LAUSAINT Outdoor Pergola offers a sturdy and durable design made from rust-resistant aluminum, ensuring it stands firm even in windy conditions. With a retractable canopy, you can easily adjust the shade to fit your needs while enjoying peace of mind from its secure locking system. The high-quality fabric is not only waterproof but also blocks nearly all harmful rays, keeping you safe and comfortable. This versatile pergola is perfect for creating an inviting outdoor space for relaxation or social gatherings, accommodating everything from sofas to dining tables. What we like: durable aluminum construction, retractable and adjustable canopy, waterproof and UV blocking fabric, versatile for different outdoor activities. Number 7. Purple Leaf Patio Louvered Pergola. The Purple Leaf Patio Louvered Pergola is an 11.5 by 23.6 oversized outdoor metal gazebo sunshade canopy with an adjustable roof. Constructed with a powder-coated aluminum frame, this pergola is rust-resistant and not easy to deform. The retractable louvers allow you to customize shade in different directions, while the water gutter design ensures rainwater flows out of the edges of the frame and poles. Assembly instructions and hardware are included, and no special rivets, additional materials or welds are required for assembly. What we like: rust-resistant and not easy to deform. Retractable louvers enable customization of shade. Water gutter design ensures rainwater flows out of the edges of the frame and poles.